Hi, I'm Juliette Yardley, and on the 17th of September, myself and Nicki Campbell will be delivering a workshop at our HR Leaders event around the topic of who's got your back. So in HR leadership, it's often a lonely role. There's often only one person in charge of HR in an organisation, or you may have a very, very small team. So we're going to explore who's got your back, who's there to support you, why do you need that help, how it can feel really isolating lots of the time, why you might want to generate ideas with other people as well. So we're going to look at some of the issues around that. Often HR leaders hold an awful lot of important information that they have to deliver on. So how does that level of responsibility and pressure affect you? We'll explore things around different strategies for support, actually having the confidence to ask for help, knowing where to go for help, what kind of support might you need, what might work best for you. So please come and join us for our workshop on the 17th of September. Looking forward to seeing you there.